Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you guys how to make money online without even selling a product. Not only that, I am going to tell you a two-step method so that even if people don't get to generate lead for you in the first attempt, you will also have a second attempt where the same person will generate lead for you. And if the lead generates, you will earn money out of it. So please keep watching this video till the end and consider liking and subscribing to my channel if my videos have helped you in any way. Welcome back to another video of Money Spam. This is New Year Eve today, so Happy New Year to everyone who is watching this video. Since beginners in starting find it little difficult to sell a product online, I thought as a New Year gift, why not to teach you guys a way to earn money online without even selling a product. So this kind of marketing is called CPA marketing. CPA stands for call per action. Basically, what it means is you will get people to opt in for the offer. These companies will be running some sort of offer, and you will ask your leads to opt in on these offers. Now, these offers can range from anything, but the easiest things that I feel converts are the gift cards. For example, let me show you one offer and how it looks like. So, to check for the CPA offers, what you need to do is you need to come to Google and you need to search for offer vault. And offer vault is the aggregation where all the CPA marketing companies show their offer. Basically, if any offer is running, let's say for pizza or for Walmart or for Domino's or for Pizza Hut, Macy's, Best Buy, anything. So these kind of CPA leads offers would be present in this offer vault. So let me search one. For example, let's search for Walmart uh, card. So let's see what comes up. So you see there is a Walmart gift card running, and if someone gives their email for this, you will be getting paid $4 for it. And as you see, it is only for the US traffic, and it is being run on Ambalia affiliate, which is a CPA marketplace. Let me just open it. Yeah. So to promote this offer that you found in offer void, you will have to go and register on this website. And again, my first video comes into picture here because these marketplaces may not approve each and everyone. So you need to be established player in affiliate marketplace domain, and for that you need to have your own website to showcase. If you would have watched my first video, I showed you exactly how to create an established website step by step. And once you put 10 or 15 articles there, you look very genuine. Just come to these websites, and when they ask for your website, put that website and tell them you own 50k email list, or even go ahead and put 100k email list. Nobody is going to come and ask to showcase your 100 emails, 100,000 emails. Just put that you own 100k emails, you will be promoting on email list, and you use this website just to showcase that you are established player in this marketplace. So to promote an offer, we will click on it. Let's see if we are running some sort of pizza offer, because food offers are even more easier to predict. Pizza gift card. Yeah, you see this? Germany Domino's pizza gift card. So if you promote this offer and see it is only for the mobile category, so these things you need to uh, keep in check when you are doing CPA marketing, because CPA offers are limited to a country, they are limited to a device type, and if your lead is, let's say, from US, and you promote an offer which is supposed to run in Germany, you won't get any payment for it. So these things need to be keep tracked of. Now you will ask how you are going to manage multiple offers like this. So I will tell you that also. In starting, I told three. I will tell you three secrets today. So let me just show you. So let's say this gift card is running in the US. This gift card we opened is running in Germany. And let's see something else is there or not. Okay, there is one more running for UK. So you see now you have three gift cards, each for pizza, and one is running in Germany, one is running in US, and the third one is running in UK. So to promote these offers, you will have to register to each of them. Let's see if they are running on the same affiliate network or not. No, all three of them are running on a different affiliate network. So you will have to register for each one of them. And now, one thing is, I will teach you how to combine these three into one. When I say combine, you will have only one link to promote, and based on user's location and device type, it will automatically redirect to this offer, your US offer, or your Germany offer. So to do this, we will have to come to Insys.com. If you have not registered there, you can register on it for free. I'm just going to put my login there. So I am on my dashboard for incisors.com now. Now here is the fun part that we are going to do. You say this? Till now we have not used these advanced options which were present in the incisors.com. So for example, now don't copy these links. These links I am showing for a demo purpose. I'm going to go to my CPA lead account, and from there we will promote offer. I'm just showing you how you can geo target and device target same link with different offers to different people. So let's say this is the Germany offer. So we will come here and we will choose here Germany. And if you want to target different devices for different this, you can do that. You need to provide a default URL. So let's say you have your own website here. Let's say we put sizes.com here. So basically, if none of the criterias below will be matched, people will be redirected to the link that you are shortening on the top. But if the criteria match, they will be redirected to the specific criteria you have specified in the URL. So for Germany, we are going to promote this. We are going to promote one for US also. Let's say, for example, this is the link. We copy this and we paste it here for the US. Same thing we can promote for UK also. So let's say we put for United Kingdom, and we take this and we paste this here. Now, if you want to geo target them, you can geo target them as well. If you want to target iPhone, iPad, Android, these things happen in CPN markets. Sometimes your offers will only be allowed to target to Android devices. Some will be targeting only to the iPhones, or some will be for BlackBerry, and so on and so forth. So these device targetings also come into picture. So let's say you don't want to target the device at the moment, you are targeting only the geo at the moment. So we added for 3 countries and we click on sorted. Okay, so it's not letting incisors.com to sort. Let's say we put google.com. All right, you say this. So this URL, when a person from Germany will open this URL, it will redirect to a different page. If a person from UK opens it, it will redirect it to a different page. And if from US they open it, it will redirect to a different page. So let me just show you how the redirection is actually working or not. So let's come to a new tab, and I have Hola VPN installed here. So I'm going to select the country as we use Germany, right? So let's select Germany here, and then we paste the link, shortened link. You see, it opened the link from Germany. And if we change it to United Kingdom here, and then we try to open the link again, it will open the link for the UK one, the offer that we are promoting in UK. If you change it to US, and then open the link, it will open the US one. If you switch off this VPN, let's say select a country which is not in the list. Now you remember we put the default URL as google.com, so it will open google.com now. See, as simple as that. So that way you can keep one link and it will redirect to offer of that particular country where the user is coming from. That way you will be able to convert more people. Now you will ask how you are going to promote this offer. So to promote this offer, you can use Instagram, you can use Twitter, you can use Pinterest, you can go to Facebook groups and start promoting these offers. Now you remember in starting I told you two locking ways in which if the person misses even the first time to convert the lead, you also have second of time to convert the lead. So for this video, we are going to use Pinterest. Now, for people who don't know what Pinterest is one of the most visual search tool. You can think Google as search for text, YouTube as search for videos, and Pinterest is the search for images. So it is a very powerful platform, and if you can leverage it to your use, your life will be set. So let me just show you how much traffic Pinterest gets. So you see, global rank for Pinterest is 25. Most of the traffic comes from US. You will see 42% of the traffic comes from US. And not only this, if you will look at the Pinterest's own analytics data, you will see 75% of the traffic is female. So you need to keep this in mind when you are promoting any kind of offer. So what we are going to do is we are going to search for Pinterest business. This is also free of cost, by the way. So come down here and click on sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. So I'm in the Pinterest dashboard now. So let's see, we were promoting the pizza example, right? So let's just search for pizza here. So just look at this and look here, pay attention here. All these pictures you see, each and every one of them, almost every one of them is promoting something. Maybe they are promoting their own website, maybe they are promoting an offer, or maybe they are promoting something else. Now thing is, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, none of them likes a sales page. None of them will let you promote affiliate offers directly. If you do that, your account will be banned within 1 day, 2 days, or within a week for sure. So what you need to do is you need to promote through a landing page. A landing page is something in between your sales page and your offer source. So in this particular case, we are promoting CPA offers, right? Which is where they need to provide their email ID, or they need to provide their phone number, or they need to provide their zip code and to participate in the offer. And as you remember, we were promoting free pizza coupon code. So what you need to do is you need to come here and you need to start creating visual images. Now the tool that I use for creating visual images is called Canva. Remember, as good your images will be, more recognition they will get on Pinterest, and easily you will get more traffic on it. So for example, if you will see a couple of, look at this. You saw out of all the pictures, that animated picture caught my attention. So remember, if your pictures are having good animations, they are even better. And see, each one of them folks are converting, sending traffic to their website or a offer. So what you need to do here is come back to incisors.com. I will show you another feature from them. And in this particular case, we need to go to settings and we need to make sure our profile access is set to public. So when you set it to public, what will happen is you will get a profile like this. You see this? You will get a profile exactly like this. So what you will do is, here I am promoting our social media links, but instead what you will do is you will come to something called profile build. Yeah, you will come to profile builder. Yeah, and here you will put link. Now you are promoting a pizza, right? So think, what kind of people would be interested in pizza? Let's say they want to search something called how to make cheese burst pizza. For example, just for example. Now we know this article is very good because it is ranking in Google already. So what we will do is we will copy this and we are going to come to incisors.com back. Let's open the dashboard. We are going to come here and we are going to select the overlay. I already taught you how to create an overlay. So check my previous video, the video I uploaded yesterday. Just check it out and you can see how I created this overlay. It is super simple. You go to overlay of pages here and you configure options and you will get the overlay. So I'm going to select this overlay and I'm going to sort in this link. Now see, this is not our page. This is the page that we got from Google. We are not copying this page, we are just shortening it. So if you will check this page now, the shortened one, you will see, look at the overlay we got. And what we will do in this overlay, we will add the link, the geo-targeted link that we created before. So that will automatically redirect to a person in UK, a person in US, and a person is in Germany. So instead of learn more, you will have to put something else. Like you can, instead of putting how I lose 10 kg in 1 month, put there something like, do you want to get $250 coupon free of cost? Click here. Something like that. Something that will resonate with the mindset. So what we will do is we will show this and we'll promote that. So now you have the shortened link and you already activated your profile. So what you are going to do is you are going to come to your profile builder here and you are going to put shortened link here and you are going to say learn how to create cheese burst pizza. And what you are going to do below this is, you remember we already created the geo-targeting link, right? So let me just find that link. Yeah. And we copy this link. And just below it, we will showcase the coupon code. Free pizza coupon for you. Something like that. And we click on save. So we click on save profile here. Now watch the magic, folks. Yeah, you see this? Obviously, you won't have these three on the top because this is my social profile, so I have these. So you won't put all this, you will have these two. So people who will click on your Pinterest link will see this page. This will become your landing page and they will have option to go either to this page that we have created, which is an article from someone else. We are not copying that article, so there is no copyright issue. We are just shortening the URL and putting an overlay on top. There is no legal issue in doing this. And people will also see this coupon. So if people don't convert here, if people don't click on it here, they don't want for say pizza coupon here, they can still click on it. Your offer, your article on how to click and create a pizza, and they will still have this overlay. So you will get second chance to convert these people. Remember, don't put same sentences in both the places. Mix it up because first line which didn't click to that guy may click with him. So mix it up, match it up and make sure that that lead doesn't go to waste. So that's it for today, folks. I will see you guys in my next video.